Sarah Mohammed. I'm from Kenya. We had a tumor, head tumor, which was meningioma. She had a surgery in Kenya, especially Nairobi town. Then she had again the same problem.
Habiba patient had come to us about 15 days back. She was operated twice before for a brain tumor, which is non-cancerous meningioma. And despite the efforts, the tumor could not be removed there. And then the patient came here for the repeat surgery after she developed some weakness on the other half of the body because of the growth of the tumor again.
When we come to India, the first day we come, we meet with the doctor. He told us to do so many MRI, CT scan, and after now he has gone through all these tests, then he said we can remove the surgery.
We removed the tumor completely, and now there is no speck of tumor inside her skull, and she is free of any disease because it was a non-cancerous, non-malignant tumor.
Nimepata afya. Hiyo daktari yangu iko na asante sana.